you, and you might get a good job, right?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Firoz. Hello, Prayag.
Yes.
Hello, Rahma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Sunny.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Today we are going to start with the first module. That's it's my order, organization management. Okay. So let us see.
We cannot hear you properly. Can you speak up a little bit?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
better.
now it's better. Yeah, now it's better.
Okay.
Muted.
Study about
Unmuted.
where we study about the org structure, the hierarchy of the org structure. So let me show you some few steps practically so that you will understand, and then I'll get into the theoretical part. Okay. So you have here SAP menu, all of you. Sunny, here you have SAP menu. Go to human resources here. Just go to human resources. Here you would find organization management. Just unfold this.
Oh, we cannot access that SAP organ though.
Yes, yes. Only for another 2 hours. It's still under maintenance. It is an exclusive user given for me not to stop the training, for today. So you will be getting in
Okay.
another couple of hours. By the end of maybe 10:30 Central, you will be having the access to the system.
Okay.
So now, when you unfold this organization management, you have here organization plan, expert mode, info system, tools, settings. Let us go to the expert mode first. Here you have something called PO10. That's the transaction code for organizational unit. PO03. That's the transaction code to reach a job. PO13. Transaction code for position. PO01 for work center. TFCT for task catalog. PP01 for general. You have all the list of transaction codes. Maybe on the first day on your system, you may not find these transaction codes here, Rahman. Okay, I'll show you the difference. For example, now again here Firoz, I'm again going to the same navigation, human resources,
Yeah.
organization management, expert mode, and do you see the transaction codes now?
No.
So this is the first primary thing you can just find out for yourself. What you need to do is just go to extras here. You have on the menu bar and click on settings and check this box called display technical names and say continue. Then go to human resources, go to organization management, go to expert mode. You would find all the list of transaction codes along with the navigation. So now either you can type in down the transaction code here, P010 like this, and press enter. You will reach to the organization unit like this. Either you can type in down the transaction code in the command bar like this, or else you just double click on this. Either of the ways will work. Okay. PO10. Okay. Here you find something called plan version. Right now it says current plan. I'll tell you what is plan version in the later phase, but this is very important concept. In the plan version, you can create your own plan version prior. So you're going to practice for 4 different companies hereafter prior. That means, for example, Prag, you're going to take a client name as Walmart. Sunny is going to take something like Pepsi. Firoz is going to take something like Motorola. And Rahman is going to take a name like Ford, an automobile company. So you're going to take 4 different companies, assume that they are your clients, and you're working for some implementation partner company as an SAP HR consultant, and we're going to start working on the practical work. Okay. So if you are working for your client Walmart, then you're going to prepare a current plan for the Walmart. Then in the place of current plan, you will get Walmart plan. And that Walmart plan settings has to be taken care by yourself initially before you start working in the project. That is called plan version. Plan version is nothing but the plan of action for the whole financial year you're planning for the whole period you're planning for. Okay. Now, current plan is a generic scenario, but when you start working for your client, you're going to prepare your own plan version. Right now, I'm just giving a generic plan version with the name current plan. It's a generic name. When you don't have any client name, you're going to give a generic name like this. Now, you have something called info type names. You cannot understand at this point of time what is info type, but that is the heart of whole HR process. Without info type, we cannot work in SAP HR. The whole SAP HR depends on the concept of info type. Now here under the info type, you find different terminologies like object, relationships, description, department, account assignment features, work schedule, cost planning. Like this, you find a lot of info types. For today, we are not going to work on all the info types. We are going to work on only first and second info types. Okay, that is object and relationships. So here you can select an object like this. Before you select any object, see whatever you see here under the info types names, they're all info types associated with the names. Before you do anything, you need to be very clear about the time periods. The whole HR depends on how good you give the time periods. Okay, so I'm just giving a rounded date here like January 1st 2010. What is this? Can you anyone assume what is this going to be? According to my according to my scenario, this is the starting date of my company. For example, Prayag, you have taken the example of Walmart. You can give Walmart started around 1980, January 1st, 1980. Now, how about the last date? Do you know when does Walmart will stop working or when does Walmart will get shut down? No.
No.
We never know that. So, we always take a default end date that will never come. Okay, December 31st, 9999. That's the default end date that we generally take in all SAP HR systems. So SAP has decided the end date should be 31st 12 9999. If you don't give any end date, system will take in by itself this end date. Okay. Now,
Okay.
after you give certain specific start date, you can start working on object like this. Select object, and you have
But I
a,
have a question.
yeah.
So like if I just want to see like 5 days report, then I have to give end date, right?
I'm sorry. 5 days before what?
Like if I just want to see the 5 days or 5 month report from the starting date, so this
You
then I
just
have to
want to put, yeah.
enter.
You just want to put 2012 August or something like that.
Okay,
You want to do that,
okay,
right?
yeah. If I don't,
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, I did it
okay,
January 1st, 2012. Okay. It does not matter. Even you can put it this month also, September 2012.
no, I'm talking about the end date. So
End it. How could someone assume when does it shut down? When does it still? What date does the company would run?
uh,
See, end date. See, we are
No,
talking.
he's talking about what he's talking about when, if a user wants to see only 5 month or 5 day report of specific item. How can he choose that? Is it, do we choose it
No,
from,
no, no.
do
See,
we,
no, we are in the pace of building the whole org structure, Rahman. Okay, we're talking about org structure. See, before you work on the SAP HR system or you give access to your end user to maintain any details about the their client Walmart, we need to build the org structure. Org structure means what? The Walmart CEO is the highest position. Okay, under that who are working, how many directors are working, how many managers are working, how many executives are working. So this whole hierarchy structure we have to give. Above CEO, what is the highest point? Obviously company.
Mm.
So we are going to build that whole org structure before we do any kind of work on HR system. So to build the org structure, first we need to clearly give the company structure first. So that is what we are doing. So we are giving the start date of the company, and by default the end date would come up. Now select object, click on create. That is a create icon. Okay, you find certain icons, right? You can learn by yourself. Just put the cursor there. You can know. The first one is create. The next one is change. The glasses one is display. The next one is copy. Next one is sublime. Next one is delete. Next one is uh, display the whole org structure. The next one is activate. Okay. Whenever you find, do you find something called a tick mark here, Sunny? Here, object abbreviation. Do you see a tick mark? Yes.
yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah. Whenever you find such kind of tick mark, which means that is a mandatory field. That is, you cannot avoid that. The next one is object name. It's an optional field. It is not mandatory. Okay, you cannot avoid this mandatory field. You need to give something. Now let's take the example of, what shall we take? Okay, I'll take Walmart. You people take another companies for your practicing purpose. I'm just taking WAL, and I write down what is Walmart Incorporation. I simply gave 3 letters for my company Wal, and I gave the description under that, object name Walmart Incorporation, and I'm trying to save this. I try to save this. I click on save. whenever you make any changes or you edit or you create something new, without failing you have to save them. Okay, now it is asking me to maintain a relationship. Can I maintain a relationship right now? No, right? Yes, Firoz? I cannot maintain any kind of relationship right now because there is only one org structure, that is Walmart. See, when there is two objects, I can build a relationship between them. When there is only one object, can I build a relationship between them? No.
No.
So just go back. At this point of time, I cannot build any kind of relationship. Okay. So what do you find now? Two green tick marks beside object as well as relationships. Okay. Now system has generated a automated number generated here. Automated system generated number, that is 5000630. That's a automated system generated number for the Walmart Incorporation. So I would erase that. I'm not deleting it, I'm just erasing it for time being, and press enter. Now I select object again and click on create again. Now under the Walmart, what is the next thing what I can do? I can build the different departments under the org structure Walmart. Now what I will do is I'll create HR department under Walmart. Save it. Now I have two objects. What are the two objects, Firoz? The first one is Walmart, the other one is HR department. Can I build a relationship between these two? Yes.
Yes.
So HR department Walmart, here just see here, reports to what? HR department reports to what? HR department Walmart. So do you remember that number that system has generated for Walmart Incorporation? 5000630.
No.
If you don't remember that number, just write it down, the abbreviation what we have given. The abbreviation what we have given for Walmart Incorporation is WAL. Just give that and press enter. System itself will identify that number. Do you see that? System has got a mismatch. Something else was also created on this name, WALES. So I'm just taking what we want. And here is the number. Now I have two objects and I built a relationship between HR department and the main organization unit Walmart, and the relationship is 002. 002 is the number given for the relationship type called reports to. Now can you anyone tell me what will be the vice versa relationship now? Yes.
What is this?
Yeah. Do you understand my question?
No, what is the question?
What will be the vice versa relationship between these two objects? See, when you say some Kishore is father of Giri, what will be the vice versa relationship? Giri is son of Kishore. Are you getting the point?
father and son.
Right. So that's the kind of the other relationship I'm asking about in this scenario. HR department reports to Walmart. Then what will be the vice versa? Okay, go back. If you want to see that, I can show you. So Walmart is the line supervisor of the main organization unit. Can you see that? That's the vice versa relationship. Do you see that now? Earlier one, what we have seen is HR department reports to Walmart. The vice versa relationship is Walmart is line supervisor of HR department. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the vice versa relationship I'm talking about. Now, I have taken
Line
one,
supervisor?
yes, line supervisor.
Oh, okay.
HR department reports to Walmart and Walmart is line supervisor of HR department. Now, right now, I have taken only one department called HR department. The similar way, you can have n number of departments under Walmart, right? You can still take more number of departments. So select object again, click on create again, and give the finance department this time. And save it. System will generate a number along with the relationship. It is asking me to build a relationship. Finance department reports to what? Rahman. Finance department reports to what? Yes,
Walmart?
exactly. Walmart is the root organization unit. So obviously everything should get reported to Walmart, obviously. So I don't remember that number. So I can just simply give the abbreviation like this and press enter. And save it. Okay. To see what you have done till now, just go to simple maintenance and maintain the right period and give the organization
Yes,
unit
on
name.
my screen.
Okay. This is what we have done till now. Is everyone clear about this now?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the organization Walmart, root organization unit Walmart. Under that you have HR department, finance department. The similar way, if you want to maintain one more organization unit, you can still do the same. Just erase this number, select object, click on create.
Hello?
Yes. And maintain the,
Right.
yeah.
I think I was lost for like 3 minutes. My computer was not responding anything. I didn't see any screen. Like 2 minutes, I think.
Oh, okay. No problem. You can get that in the recording file. You can run that recording file. What you have to. I've just displayed what we have done, Rahman. Okay. And I'm trying to create one more organization unit in the name of sales and distribution department. And I'm trying to save it.
You think it's a bit slow or our internet slow, because like when you click, it takes time to open the page.
Your voice is broken. You said while opening the page, what's happening?
It's taking time to open the page, like loading, showing like your page. It's like when you click it, it doesn't like count the page right away. It takes time.
Yes,
Is
for
it
the
your
first
computer
time.
slow or?
No. For the first time, it will say like that. But I already accessed those organization units, right? So when you start working, it will not be so slow.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to build a relationship between sales and distribution department and Walmart, and I press enter. And save it.
What is the save icon?
So you find two green tick marks here, and system generated number for sales and distribution department. So if you want to see this also included in the whole scenario, you can just go to change mode and you can see what you have done till now. Okay.
Okay.
This is how you can build the whole org structure. Org structure stands for organization unit or organization structure. Now, this is job now, PO03. PO03 is a transaction code for job. Now, what is a job? Anyone?
A task?
A task. Then what is a task? Give me an example for a job. Anyone? Hello?
Yeah, to complete an activity or to complete something specific.
See, for example, if I say human resource manager or HR manager, what is that? Is it a task or is it a job or is it a position or is it a organization unit? What is that?
HR manager would be a position.
Right. HR manager is a position. Now, in the similar way, can you give me an example for a job as well as for a task?
Person who's performing a necessary or required task, that is a job,
Okay.
or employee.
An example for
His
that?
responsibilities.
Yeah. Can you give me an example?
Like to maintain the employee database.
Yeah. That's what. Can you give me an example for that?
Person who is a cashier, and being a cashier, that's his job
Okay.
in a Walmart. Is that what you're trying to ask?
Yeah. See, the example in which I have given you HR manager, that's the position. In that, manager is the job, Priya. Manager is going to be a job, and when you assign that manager to some department like HR department or sales department or finance department, then it becomes a position. Okay. So, job always gives a generic description. You cannot really tell whether whether that manager works for HR department or sales department when you talk about a job. So, job do not give a clear idea or a clear description to which department is he working or to which responsibility is he got assigned for. So, job is a very general description. But when you assign it to some department, it becomes a position. Position is a very specific description. Okay. So in our scenario, manager is going to be a job and HR manager is going to be a position, and regarding the task, recruiting is a task for HR manager, or payroll, running payroll for their employees is a task for HR manager. So now I'm building up the jobs first. So I select an object, click on create, and write down the job name as MGR, stands for MGR, manager, WAL, manager, Walmart Incorporation. Save it. So that's a job created now. And if you want to create more number of jobs, select object again, click on create, executive, Walmart. Save it. Okay, that's how you can create jobs. Now, we will go for a specific description called positions now. Select position.
Question, Raj.
Yeah.
Is this a sub-module of HR, or this is just the basic HR, or it's just the basic SAP?
No, it's a part of HR itself. As part of
Okay, so
HR, that's the first job to maintain the whole org structure. So
okay.
everyone should be clear about what is the highest organization unit, and then what are the departments involved, what are the jobs involved, what are the positions involved, who are the people who occupied those positions. So this is the complete hierarchy that need to be there. Even if you go to a manual running company, this hierarchy you'll see on the paperwork. Okay. Now select object, click on create. Now I'm talking about position. What is a position? In our scenario, what positions can we go with now?
HR manager.
And what else?
Executive. Like SD manager, MM manager.
Can anyone represent all of them? Tell me in an order, however you understand. The first one is HR manager. That is true. The next one, what are the other positions that we can go with now?
The functional and technical consultants.
No. According to our scenario, what are the positions that we can go with now?
Executive, CEO,
Executives what?
CEO.
See, we have maintained a root org unit as Walmart. Under that, we have maintained 3 departments: human resource department, sales department, and finance department. And under that, we have maintained the jobs like manager, executive. Now, the only possibilities that we have for positions is HR manager Walmart, HR executive Walmart, sales manager Walmart, sales executive Walmart, finance manager Walmart, finance executive Walmart. So that's the only 6 possibilities we have according to the scenario what we have built on. We cannot create any more positions above this, because if you have to create a position, the mandatory one is a job. You need to have a job now. You cannot create HR director now, Sunny. You cannot create a position like HR director. Why? Why, Firoz? Because we don't have a job called director. When you don't have a job called director, you cannot have a position called HR director.
Okay. It's clear.
So job is the basic one to build a position. Without a job, there cannot exist a position. Is that clear?
Clear.
Right. So now, what are the possibilities that we have for positions? HR manager. Save it. Now, can I build a relationship with HR manager with other departments? I mean, with the other org units? Can anyone name all the list of org units that we have prepared till now? That we built till
HR
now?
finance.
Starting from the first point, can anyone name the list of things?
HR finance.
The first one is Walmart. That's the root org unit. And next one is HR department. The next one is finance department. Next one is sales department. This is the order we created all the list of org units. simply org units or organization units. So we have totally 4 organization units till now we maintain, isn't it? Now, if we have to maintain a relationship, what is the relationship we are trying to build on now? HR manager is what? A position. I want to build a relationship between position to what?
Walmart.
Can I directly see, does the HR manager reports to the root org unit Walmart, or he reports to his department called HR department? Yes, Firoz?
Yeah.
Does he reports to the HR department or does he reports to the Walmart directly?
No, he directly report to the HR department.
Right. So we are not going to put Walmart here. We are going to put HR department. Now tell me, what is that we are trying to connect here? HR manager is a position. HR manager is going to get maintained relationship with what? A org unit, a organization unit. HR manager Walmart belongs to what? Now, what do I need to give here? I need to give here HR department like this. Is that clear? HR manager Walmart belongs to HR department. Am I clear to you now? Save it. Save this relationship. Okay. A similar way. Now we shall maintain more number of positions. Rahman, let us maintain more number of positions. Select object, click on create. What are the other positions I can maintain now?
The financial manager.
No, let's complete the executive. HR executive, Walmart. And save it. HR executive Walmart belongs to what?
HR department.
HR department. Obviously. And save it. Okay. The similar way, let us maintain more number of positions. What other positions can we maintain now? Prayag?
Finance manager.
Right. Finance manager, Walmart. Save it. Finance manager, Walmart belongs to what? Finance department.
Finance department.
And save it. Now, what are the positions? What other positions can we maintain? Finance executive. Finance executive Walmart belongs to finance department. Save. Now sales manager. Save. Sales manager belongs to what?
Sales department.
SD department. Save. Okay. And what else now? Right. Sales SD executive. Sales executive. So to see what you have done till now, just go to change and select this. See, this is what we have done till now, Firoz.
Yeah.
So that's the root org unit, Walmart Incorporation. Under that you have three departments: Human Resource Department, Finance Department, Sales Department. Under each department you have again two positions: Human Resource Manager, HR Executive; Finance Manager, Finance Executive; Sales Manager and Sales Executive. Now just see the now talking about the relationships. What is the relationship between Walmart Incorporation and HR Department, Prayag?
9.
Walmart is the inline supervisor of HR department.
Right. And what is the vice versa relationship between those?
The HR department reports to Walmart.
Very good. That's the same case with Walmart. Is line supervisor of finance department, and finance department reports to Walmart. Walmart is line supervisor of sales distribution department, and SD department reports to Walmart. That's the similar kind of relationships you find. Okay. Now, the similar way, what is the kind of relationship you have between department, that is organization unit, and position? Yes, Rahman. What are the relationship between positions and organization units? HR department incorporates HR manager, right, Prayag?
Yeah.
And what is the vice versa?
HR manager reports to the HR department.
No, HR manager not reports to. Haven't you seen the relationship earlier when we are maintaining? HR department incorporates HR manager. HR manager belongs to HR department. Belongs to. HR department incorporates HR executive. HR executive belongs to HR department. Finance department incorporates finance manager. Finance manager belongs to finance department. Okay. Now, to see hierarchically or to see graphically, you can see them in this order now. Whole structure. Just see them what we have done till now. Is everyone clear with this?
I have a quick question. Could you just go back to the page where it says like where it shows the belongs to relationship, because I didn't quite catch that one.
Now take the position HR manager Walmart, and now see the relationships now, Priya. Select the relationships, click on change. You should not go for create. We are not creating, we are just seeing it, what we have done. Now what do you find here? HR manager belongs to HR department. Can you see that?
Okay. Yeah.
Now select this Walmart, click on staff assignments, and you're going to get all this hierarchy now like this. Okay, now here you have all the departments and assigned to the root org unit Walmart. Now here you have two positions like HR manager and HR executive, but who is the highest and who is the lowest in these two positions? Who is going to report to whom? We need to be very clear about that too, right? I'm talking about reporting structure. So now in this scenario, obviously HR manager is going to be the superior to the HR executive. So select this HR manager and click on reporting structure. Okay, here select HR manager, click on create chief. So HR department is managed by HR manager. Save this. And say yes. And say save it. Just go back. Now finance manager, select the finance manager. Click on go to, click on reporting structure. Select finance manager, click on create chief. Save it. Say yes. Save it. Okay. Similarly, select sales manager, click on go to, click on reporting structure. Now select sales manager, click on create chief. Say yes. Save it. Okay. Like this you have Walmart Incorporation, and you have 3 departments and you have 6 positions. Now if you want to see them graphically, you can clearly have a clear understanding about what we have done till now. Here is the whole structure, and here is the highlighted in red, which indicates they are the highest positions in that respective departments. So HR manager, finance manager, sales manager. Okay. This is how you can maintain the whole org structure, starting from root org unit to till the end of the positions. And now you can still go ahead. If you have a name of an employee, right now we don't have any employee for this position, for this org structure. Do we have any employee? No. But you can hire an employee if you want. For example, sales executive, you can click on assign holder. You can take a generic name that is available in the database right now. A very generic one. You can take any name of any person as an employee got hired for the sales executive position. Hiring a person is not this process, but for time being I'm just showing you pulling out an employee existing in the database and assigning it to a position called sales executive. Okay, here you can see here sales executive is held by Mr. Amil Ahil. Okay, so Mr. Amil is holding a position called sales executive position in Walmart, and it also reflects in your graphical structure if you want to see. So starting from here it is. Here you have Mr. Amil. Starting from root org unit till the person who holds that position, you can see that in the org structure, the whole org structure. Okay. Yeah, do you understand now what are these for today? Once you get the server access, maybe in another couple of hours at most, you will be getting that. Please practice, and we shall see the remaining part of organization management module tomorrow. Okay.